Welcome to our channel. Today, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of activating your AT&T prepaid SIM card quickly and easily. Whether you're setting up a new phone or replacing an old SIM, this simple tutorial will ensure you're connected in no time. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you begin, make sure you have the following: your AT&T prepaid SIM card, a compatible unlocked device, an active email address, your account information, if applicable. Step 2. Insert the SIM card. Locate the SIM card slot on your device. Use the SIM eject tool or a small paperclip to open the slot. Gently insert the AT&T prepaid SIM card into the slot, ensuring it's properly aligned. Push the tray back in to secure the SIM card. Step 3. Power on your device. Turn on your device by holding down the power button until the screen lights up. Allow the device a moment to recognize the new SIM card. Step 4. Visit the AT&T activation website. Using a web browser on your device or a computer, go to the AT&T prepaid activation page at www.t2.com/activations. Step 5. Enter your information. On the activation page, you'll be prompted to input your SIM card number. You can find this number on the card packaging or on the card itself. Enter your information as requested, including your zip code and the selection of your desired plan. Step 6. Review and confirm your plan. Choose your prepaid plan according to your needs, whether it's a pay-as-you-go option or a more extensive monthly plan. Review the terms and pricing, then confirm your selection. Step 7. Complete the activation. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the activation process. You may need to create an AT&T account if you don't already have one. Once you've submitted your information, you should receive a confirmation of your successful activation. Step 8. Test your connection. Once the activation is confirmed, make a test call or send a text message to ensure that your service is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, you may need to restart your device. Thank you for following this guide to activate your AT&T prepaid SIM card quickly and efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful.